Good morning. In the last session, last video, we are discussed need and importance and the types of statistics, that descriptive and inferential statistics. Now, in this session or in this video, I talk on meaning of terms in the statistics like population, sample, data, etc. Inferential statistics lets you draw conclusion about populations by using small samples. Consequently, inferential statistics provide enormous benefits because typically you cannot measure an entire population. So, in the term of statistics, population, when he when we hear the word population, we typically think of all the people living in the town, state, or country. This is one of the population. In statistics, the word takes on a slightly different meaning. A sample. Sample is a set of data collected and or selected from population by a defined procedure. In the sample, there are mainly two types of sample: probability sampling and non-probability sampling. This is the population throughout the country population and taken the sample as within the state or south region or north region, that is the represented the all population. Then types of samples. In the probability sampling, classified four types of probability samples: simple random, systematic random, and stratified and multi-stage cluster sample. In the non-probability sampling, convenience, Snowball, code, and theoretical sampling. This table shows that the probability and non-probability. In that probability sampling, there are four types of probability. First one is simple random sample. In these samples, we are selecting the group randomly. That is called as simple random sample. Second one is systematic sample. Systematic means like in the group or in the row, in the line, taken the one by one or 2, 4, 6, 8 order wise. That is the systematic. Or example, in the group there are 20 members. We are select only 4 members. In that systematic, 1, 5, 10, 15, and 20. That is called as systematic sample. Then stratified sample. Third one sample is stratified sample. In this sample, categorized the various groups selected randomly in the various group. That is called as stratified sample. The last one in the probability sampling, cluster sample. Cluster sample also various group. In the group, select the any one group, all the peoples or group members involved to the giving the responses. That is called as cluster sampling. Then another type of sampling, that is the non-probability sampling. This type of sampling also classified into four types. First one is convenience sample. In the group, we have taken the what convenience we have. You should taken the from the group a subject, that is called convenience sample. And the second type of non-probability sampling, voluntary response sample. Voluntary sample response means who willing to give the response, that is called as voluntary response sample. Purposive sample, another one is, third one is purposive sampling. In this sampling, in the total population, what I expect, which our purpose of the research, what type of data we have taken, that according to our purpose, we can taken the subject from the population, that is called as purposive sampling. Another one, last one sampling in the non-probability sampling, snowball sampling. Snowball sampling. It is also one of the non-probability sampling. The various groups and selected to the various subject with different formats, that is called as snowball sampling. These are the types. These two samples, probability sample is the very genuine or valid sampling process than non-probability sampling. In this, I conclude this session with the next session. I will talk on data and types of data and statistics, types of statistics, parametric statistics and non-parametric statistics. These are the discussion will the next session. Thank you.